Hi everyone, welcome to CloudRevol YouTube channel. I'm Sayed from CloudRevol. Today we are very excited to show you our latest feature, WP State. WP State helps your WordPress website to create a copy of your main website, and it gives you an edge to edit, delete, make changes on your stage environment without disturbing your main website. And when you are ready, you can push those changes to your main site with a single click. How this feature works, follow with me step by step, and I'll show you how you can make it work. Go to your hosting, select your hosting type, and select your server. And now you need to go to your website. And as you can see, we have wpcrconsole.com. Now, you don't see any other options, so you need to filter out to WordPress. Here you can see Manage button. Before going to the Manage button, I'm going to show you how this WordPress website look right now. See, it's just a simple e-commerce store with some few dresses in it. Let's make changes on it. What we have to do, click on this Manage button, click on Environment. Now, how you trigger this setup? Just all you need to do is just add your tag, and the request has been initiated, and as soon as your setup is done, you will get an email notification on your email account. Let's wait. Now you see your staging environment is ready. You will going to get this type of notification. Okay, and you can click on this link and the stage environment will going to open with a dynamic URL. Okay, now let's go to further steps how we are going to make changes. So how do you view your staging environment? You're again going to go to your manage button, environments, and over here, see, here is your stage environment. Just click on it. Now I want to make some changes in it. Let me just log into it. You will be using the same username and password of your main website. See, it has been logged in. Now, let's go to the theme and make some changes. Let's go for install a demo. Let's switch the shop from shopping to any other. And let's see which one we can use. Let's see. Let's see a jogger one. It's a pro version, so we can't. It's a paid version. Let's see. Try some free version. Let's change it to no pain, no gain. Okay. Let's go to the next step and import the demo. It's gonna take few minutes and the demo will be imported. See, your demo has been imported, and let's see how our stage website now looks. See, the, our stage environment has been switched from the shopping to no pain, no gain. Ocean is our home, and skateboards, background. All right. Now Just suppose you have decided to make these changes to your main website. We need to push it. What you need to do, all you need to do is go to Manage Again, Environment, select your stage environment which you need to push, and click on Publish. Confirm it. It will take few minutes, and again you're going to get an email notification once the automation job is complete to make these changes to your main website. Let's wait. Now you see, you're again going to get an email notification. It says your stage published to live website. So your main website has been updated. Let's see. Let's refresh it. Voila. See how easy it was to make those changes and push it to your main website. This is how WP stage works, and you can have maximum a two-stage environment per main website, uh, and you can tag it to create your stage environment. How you are going to remove your stage environment? No worries. It's a simple cleanup. It's going to ask you the confirmation, and your stage environment is going to be cleaned up. So, uh, whenever you need any stage environment, you can set up your stage, make changes, publish to your main website, and remove them. Or you can keep them to if you need for future updates and changes. You can also resync from the main website. If you make changes on your main website, you can resync the stage as well. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.